Okay, here we go again. Listen, we just got a SD card error, so I just change out our SD card. See, put in the next one. Yeah, so we are go up on this bridge. I go see where we are going. How are you doing, young man?
Yes, I'm easy. You're right.
Good, good. Yeah, man. Respect, man. All right. Yeah, so we're going on this bridge. Go see what them are going on with panel. In this, so one day in this, one day in this. Alright, so this is on the bridge, the old City Arms. It's a pub, you know. Yeah, the old City Arms pub. And it is on the bridge. Boy, I don't know what the man look like. I fix the bridge, cover it up with white stuff. Yeah. Workmen them there. So yeah, them have fixed the Hammersmith bridge. So them just the right there, so. This is the bridge itself. So I don't know when this bridge is going to be finished or what, but as you can see, it is one of the bridges that go over the Thames River. This is River Thames. Understand? And this is the Hammersmith Bridge that goes across River Thames. So this is it. 1887, it look like them say it built from, cause that stamp on it, 1887. This is it.
Yeah, what's their legs? Oh, their legs are everything. It's all the power.
Yeah. I thought that was metal, it was iron, it was steel, you know, it was iron, but a plastic. Don't go look so. Plastic that. How much I been outside? On the bridge, I saw a flame right there, so see the bridge go up this way. Hammersmith Bridge. It's falling down. Hey, look at them hold it up with no duct tape. Them hold it all up with duct tape. Why? England do better than that, man. You can't hold up Hammersmith Bridge with duct tape. Okay? Only can't hold up Hammersmith Bridge with duct tape. Do better than that, man. I know the bridge is falling apart, yes, but Jesus, please, that can't stop people from fall through there, so. See that? It is falling down. Yes, so this is River Thames on the Hammersmith Bridge going across River Thames. Alright, let's continue to walk. Let's see if we can, it's a true, we can't swim, make me walk on it, you know. But by the time you're dropping it at the backside, pollution don't kill you out before you even drown. We all that the Thames River, they're polluted. Yeah. Jesus Christ, look. Duct tape. Duct tape. Huh? This can stop somebody from falling over. Duct tape. Jesus Christ. They're trying to hold up the bridge with duct tape. My goodness. From to the iron in this. See? All the iron, the steel, them hold up the steel with you know them like a plastic thing there. I don't remember what you call them. Boy. But all the council tax will not take away from the citizen of the country. They can't fix Hammersmith Bridge. All of the council them can't come together and fix the bridge. The whole only can't come together and fix the bridge. Everybody use it, you know. The whole how we use the bridge. So all the billions are not taken away from citizens of this country. They can't come together and fix the bridge. We don't have to hold up the bridge with duct tape. What a shame. What a shame, England. What a shame. Central government taking so much money from the people. You understand? When you get your tax, when them take your 20% of your tax and 30 and 50% of your tax, you don't get that back. Eh? In America you get it back. We don't know about another country in Europe. But in America you get back your money. Most of it anyway. Yeah, so you don't get back a dime. And yet still them can't fix it, them can't fix the bridge them. Central government have made them pocket long. Instead of them do them duty. Them not do them civic duties. Okay, see it? Okay, so there Hammersmith, which lead over, cross over this are Richmond. I don't got a Richmond. Because see the sign there. Welcome to Richmond upon Thames. Barnes, welcome to Richmond upon Thames. Yeah. So, when I go down this, we are go back so. But on the other side. So, people, I don't know where I go on. Them say construction are going, but if they are outside of the country and you can't come help them look faster because this has gone along for much years. This is going on for how many years and them can't done fix one bridge. They can't done and they not take it down, you know. I repair them, I repair it. Every minute I take it down, it gone already. See it? Hammersmith.